Thank you. I would never be able to dance this well without my dear magic pet, Soundbird.
Oh, thank you. With Soundbird's magic power, it can sound like anything it wants.
Yes, including music. I am so happy to have him.
Not in my city! Ugh, that's Police Officer Freeze! Run!
I'll have to write you a ticket.
Oh, remember that time we went with Police Officer Freeze, Morphle? It was so funny.
That's not Police Officer Freeze, Yorn.
I am a magic pet. It's so cute, Stein. That sounds just like me.
Yeah, let's steal it, Yorn.
What? I'm sure you can't just steal me.
What do you want to do with it, Stein?
First, we take care of Officer Freeze. I have just the plan.
Officer Freeze, don't turn around. It's me, the mayor.
What? Why can't I?
There is no time. The mountain giant is committing heinous crimes.
Oh, no. What did he do?
He is moving rocks without a permit.
Oh, no. That's a crime if I ever heard one. I'll get you, mountain giant!
You got him good, Stein.
Yeah, with Soundbird in the Bandit Mobile, we can use its powers ourselves. And now, it's time for the second part of our plan.
Whew, playing is hard work. I'll ask Daddy if we can have some ice cream. Ice cream! Hey, Morphle, I have some ice cream. I'm behind you. But don't look. Let's play a game. Hooray! Morphle, I like the game. Great. Okay, close your eyes and follow my voice. Keep going straight. Now turn right a bit. Keep going. Huh? Where is he going? And stop. Okay, we're almost at the ice cream. Ice cream! But to get the ice cream, I need you to morph into a wrecking ball. Ha-ha! Now smash the door of the bank, Morphle. Ha-ha-ha-ha-ha! Mila acting all weird. No, I'm not. Just smash the door of the bank. No! Morphle no believe Mila rob a bank. Bandage! Smash the doors, Morphle. No, don't smash the door of the bank, Morphle. Mila!
Uh-oh.
Morphle, use your wrecking ball to smash the button on the Bandit Mobile. Yeah! Thank you, Morphle.
We've lost. Let's flee, Yorn.
Okay, Stein.
That wasn't me.
Ice cream! Morphle, wait! Where are you going? So this is what you were after. You smelled the other dogs.
Yes, little girl. This is the yearly dog agility course. Your pet can join too.
Ooh, let's compete, Morphle.
Aw, come on, Sammy.
You can win this race.
Hey, Builder Lawrence, what's wrong?
My little Sammy doesn't want to do this race anymore because the big dogs are being mean to her. Poor Sammy. Good job, Barky.
Don't be scared. Morphle isn't mean. Look. That's it, Morphle. Let's play with Sammy so she doesn't think you are scary anymore. Hey, guys, that was our ball. Can we have it back?
Is it? Well, finders keepers. If you really want to have it back, then why don't you try taking it?
Morphle, morph into a T-Rex.
Ah!
Are all doggies ready? 5.
We are late, Morphle, but there's still a chance Sammy can win.
3, 2, 1, go!
Good job, Barky. Oh, no.
Give them a dose of their own medicine, Morphle.
Oh, ho, ho! Hooray! You did it!
The award goes to this little one who beat the biggest of participants.
Let's play Knights. Morphle, morph into a bulldozer to build us a giant castle. What kind of egg do you think this is? It's so big! It must be a dragon's egg. Let's put it in the castle to protect it. Morphle, morph into a dragon.
Might that be a dragon's egg? Soon we, the Sky Pirates, will have our very own dragon.
Give our dragon egg back! Look, Morphle! The dolphins have the egg! Yay! We've got it! Uh-oh!
Ha ha!
Watch out, Morphle! It's a thunderstorm! Look over there! Uh-oh!
Give me that egg!
We found it fair and square.
I stole it fair and square.
Ah, you found my ostrich egg. I was making a special delivery when some cheeky monkey threw this poor egg overboard. I've been looking for it ever since. Come on, little guy. Let's go back to the zoo.
Oh no! Morphle, morph into a T-Rex too! Wow! Morphle is scared! Don't worry, Morphle. I think it's almost time for Brother Time to zap us back to our own time. Look! We're back! Yeah! Thank you, Brother Time. Using your magic pet powers, we went to the past and saw lots of dinosaurs. Yeah! Thank you!
Did you hear that, Yarn?
Yeah, they saw a lot of dinosaurs.
Yes, and
They had a lot of fun.
this means we can go to the past as well.
Oh, good idea, Stein.
And in the past, we can gather dinosaurs to create our own dino army.
Wow! I always wanted to be a general, Stein.
What's that? Oh no! Stop it, bandits! We need to follow them, Morphle.
Keep up, yawn.
Uh-oh, I can't see them anymore.
Morphle cannot too.
I know! Morphle, morph into a search dog!
Look, yawn.
They are so cute and little.
They will be the first members of our dino army.
I don't think they want to join us, Stein.
Come on, guys. It's gonna be great. Ah! Ah!
Bandits!
Oh no! The bandits are in trouble! Morphle, morph into a gallimimus so we can catch up with them!
Yeah!
Now morph into a T-Rex to scare the velociraptors away! Bandits, the age of the dinosaurs is very dangerous.
It really is, Stein.
I guess you're...
Dinosaur!
Oh no! A pteranodon has taken the bandits! Morphle, morph into a pterodactyl!
I can fly.
Oh,
Oh, whoa.
Morphle, morph into a Triceratops so you can pin down its tail!
phew. Thank you.
Stein, behind you.
Uh-oh.
Help us!
T-Rex! And the velociraptors!
Can't you morph into something?
Tricycle!
Oh no!
I have an idea. Morphle, morph into a big Argentinosaurus! Woo! We're safe here.
Great.
I love you, Morphle. Yeah.
Now we only have to wait until Brother Time's hourglass runs out of sand, and we will be sent back to our own time.
Look!
We're back.
Yeah.
Maybe the dino army wasn't such a good plan after all.
No!
Mila, Morphle, look at this new toy I got.
Oh!
Huh?
Uh-oh. I'll get it. The ball's stuck on the roof.
Morphle, let's help Troy get the ball back.
Tricycle?
No! We need something with wings.
Dragon!
Aw, I can't reach the ball.
Don't worry, Morphle.
Ah! It's a dragon! Ah!
It's Morphle.
Troy no like a Morphle.
Aw, don't worry, Morphle. Troy just didn't see it was you. Let's go after him to explain.
Marky, what is... Whoa! It's a dragon! Come back, Marky!
What is going on? A dragon?
He's not a real dragon.
No dragon breathes fire in my city. Shoo!
Yeah, shoot!
Morphle is not a real dragon. Right, Morphle? Morphle?
No one like a morphle.
Morphle, come back. Daddy, have you seen Morphle?
Hi, Mila. I haven't. I'm looking for our newest magic pet, Ampy. It's gone missing.
Are you looking for this?
Ampy's magic power is that it can make any sound softer or...
Louder! And now everyone can hear us everywhere.
All right, stop it right there.
No, you stop it right there.
It's so loud! Ah!
Let's go, Yorn.
Give Ampy back.
Morphle's not with her, Stein.
Yeah, and with Morphle gone, no one is going to get in our way.
Mila!
Morphle! Help!
Morphle here, Mila. Morphle, go help.
Boo!
This is fun, Stein.
It is, and especially without...
Morphle!
Uh-oh.
We don't have to worry. Dragons can't cover their ears!
Morphle, morph ear protectors over your ears.
Oh, no.
Now we worry. Fly away!
Morphle, use your fire to stop the bandits.
Whoa! Fire!
One dragon isn't enough to catch us.
Morphle, not enough.
Look out!
Dragon.
Morphle, use your flame to trap the bandits.
They caught us, Stein. Yeah.
Yeah.
You cannot be that loud in my city! You two are going to jail!
Mila, Ampy, I'm so glad you're okay.
I was wrong about dragons. I shouldn't have shooed you away.
Let's play in the water. Morphle, morph into a shark.
Shark! Ah!
Don't worry, it's just a Morphle. And Morphle is always friendly.
Yeah! That's true.
Oh no! Mila, Morphle, the pirates are smashing all the sand castles again. Let's stop them, Morphle. We should give them a big scare so they stop bullying the other people.
Morphle plays scary shark.
Yeah, let's go.
never mind.
It's just a shark. We aren't sea pirates, so we are not afraid of sharks. That shark can't come onto land.
We'll see about that. Morphle, morph into a shark with legs.
That shark has legs.
Oh no! Run, Sky Pirate number 2!
Ah!
We are Sky Pirates. We're not afraid of anything on land either. Man the cannon!
Aye, aye, Captain.
Let's go after them, Morphle.
What's that?
This is fun.
Stop it, Sky Pirates.
You can't catch us from down there, weird red shark with legs.
Morphle weird?
Morphle's not weird, and he can reach you, 'cause he can fly.
What?
Morphle, morph into a flying shark. Yeah!
It's flying now. I'm scared.
Oh no! Let's go higher, Pirate number 2.
I mean, aye,
You'll never catch us!
Water? What's going on?
And that is why the city needs... Water balloons?
Yeah! Woohoo! Yay!
What? You darn kids!
We can't shake him off.
Let's hide in that cave, Pirate number 2.
Good idea. But isn't that cave a little... small?
The pirates must have gone into that cave.
Now get in!
You're right. The ship is blocking the entrance. But I have an idea.
I think we're stuck, Captain.
Yeah, but at least that red shark can't get to us in here.
Are you sure?
The red shark! And he has a drill for a nose!
We've caught you, Sky Pirates. Now, you should come with us.
Where are you taking us? The police station?
No, the beach. So you can rebuild all the sandcastles you smashed.
Oh no!
Build? But I only know how to smash sandcastles.
Oh, look, Morphle. It's a rainbow. It's so bright and colorful. Let's go check it out, Morphle. Morph into a unicorn. Let's follow the rainbow and see where it leads us.
Hello, you two. Welcome to our magical world. Will you come play with us?
Of course. That sounds like a lot of fun. Let's follow him, Morphle.
Please please join us and have some tea and a cupcake?
Oh, thank you.
The sun is setting, so we have to put the stars in the sky. Will you two help us?
Sure, that sounds like a lot of fun. Oh, but we have to get back. It's getting late. The rainbow has disappeared. How do we get back home now?
Me and my friends can help you.
Red!
Orange.
Yellow!
Green!
Blue! Purple!
Wow! This rainbow is so pretty. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody.
Are you ready to come travel back in time with us?
We're going to visit the age of the dinosaurs.
Ooh, dinosaurs!
There are all sorts of different dinosaurs, and we are going to study them all.
Let's go!
Here we are, the age of dinosaurs. Look!
Oh no! Those are velociraptors!
Velociraptors are small but dangerous dinosaurs. Whoa! Tumbling test tubes. Whew, that was close. Thank you, Morphle.
Morphle, morph into a gallimimus.
Wow!
A gallimimus is one of the fastest dinosaurs there is. Great, Morphle!
Look over there. Those are Argentinasauruses.
They are so big, but they only eat plants. Oh no! We need to save that egg, Morphle. Morph into a pteranodon. You did it, Morphle! Now, we need to find the mother of this egg.
It doesn't look like an Argentinosaurus egg.
No! Look! There's an Argentinosaurus eggs right there.
Let's keep searching. A Triceratops.
Triceratops had 3 big, sharp horns. Aw, that's so cute! But look, those eggs are different from the egg we have.
So this egg isn't a Triceratops egg. Interesting.
Whoa!
A real pteranodon. And
And it's trying to chase us away from her eggs.
And look! Those pteranodon eggs don't look like the one we have. Let's fly away quickly!
Those are ankylosauruses.
They can use the end of their tails to hit really hard. But look at that eggshell. It's different from ours as well.
Crocodiles!
Huh? How can there be crocodiles in the time of the dinosaurs?
Crocodiles are a really old species and already existed in the time of the dinosaurs.
Wow! But look! Even the crocodile eggs look different from ours. Oh, I don't think we're ever going to find the mother of this egg. Wow! A Spinosaurus!
It wants to eat us. Run!
Morphle! Morph into a T-Rex! A Spinosaur is way bigger than a T-Rex! It wants to eat us, but what does it want? I know! It wants the egg! The Spinosaurus is the mother of this egg!
Phew! That was close. Good thinking, Mila. Cute little fella. It's so funny to think that one day you will be big and scary.
With this zapper that we stole from Professor Rashid, we can turn these animals into giants.
We are going to have a great day at the zoo, Morphle!
Yeah!
Mila! Morphle! The bandits are zapping all the animals into giants!
Oh no! We need to get the zapper back! Morphle, morph into a superhero! Give us the zapper, bandits!
I don't think so. You're zapped in. Uh-oh. We didn't think that one through. We'll be back!
Great! Now let's zap back all the animals. There! It's the penguin! Great! That's one! There you are, lion! Good one, Morphle. Hi, monkey. Let's zap you back to normal. Hi, Zookeeper Kenneth. We're back.
Great! But, huh? Oh no! You have become really small. But you're still great animals.